Hello everyone, Matt from Collins Nissan here in St. Catharines to show you some more of our used car inventory. What I've got for you today is a Ford Fusion SE 2011. This vehicle comes with dual exhaust, heated mirrors, fog lamps, and much more. We'll hop into the interior in a second. Just wanted to show you the exterior styling. Very nice chrome grille, projector headlights. This vehicle also comes with a sunroof and built-in blind spot mirrors, exclusive to Ford. Hopping in, you'll see we've got a beautiful black cloth interior. This vehicle comes with power windows, mirrors, and door locks, a power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted controls for your info center, your cruise control, your Bluetooth, and your stereo. This vehicle comes with an automatic transmission. It's also powered by Microsoft Sync, which is a Ford exclusive. Traction control, air conditioning, your music head unit here with the built-in Bluetooth, and here is your information center. This vehicle comes with an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and once again the big beautiful sunroof. The Ford Fusion comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that's very fuel efficient yet powerful. You'll never break the bank at the gas pumps, which is I think everybody's objective these days. So give us a call over at Collins Nissan over in St. Catharines and schedule a test drive.